Time to learn computing.
Computing?
Yes, computing. With Commodore VIC-20. Golden years, Commodore VIC-20. The wonder computer of the ages. He got 4 kilobytes of RAM and 16 colors.
Wow!
He got a real computer keyboard. So you can learn computing at home, but also play great games like golf.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Commodore VIC-20, the wonder computer of the 80s, with 4 kilobytes of RAM, 16 colors, and 4 audio channels with white noise, allowed you, Humungus, to learn computing with a lot of software, and also playing great games like golf, Donkey Kong, and golf. Commodore VIC-20, the future is now. Also with Humungus, which is Commodore system for our businesses. With Commodore, you can.